Hello YouTube and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got unlimited coins and spins for CoinMaster. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called zaptwig.com. Then you will find the online tool CoinMaster. Just click there and click install now and just wait for installing. So guys, I test this many times and this is amazing website working, and so let's wait. Okay, and now guys, we are on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps to complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start the loading from the official publisher with the app. Or download it, complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download Helio Mobile. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags. Guys, I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened. So if you have this message, you're on the right way. So let's wait together and let's see. Nice guys, verification complete. Next step, check your home screen. The app icon will be shortly. So guys, as you can see, I download Travel Town and Helio Mobile, and I got this CoinMaster app. So just open this and you will get your coins and spins. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.